Hi, this is Dr. Namrata. Today in this video, I will tell you about eye flu. In medical terminology, eye flu is also called as conjunctivitis and eye flu is also called as pink eye. Eye flu is a self-limiting condition which cures by its own within the 8 to 10 days, but by using homeopathic medicine, it can cure within 3 to 4 days. So in this video, I will tell you about top graded homeopathic medicine to cure your eye flu, and also I will tell you about what is eye flu, what are the causes behind it, what are the types of eye flu, and what are the symptoms of eye flu, and how can we prevent it, and also very effective homeopathic medicine to cure your eye flu. So video is very informative. Watch till then, stay with me. Let's get started. Before starting the video, kindly subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my coming videos. Let's discuss about what is eye flu. Eye flu is also called as conjunctivitis. Conjunctiva is a outer covering of our white portion of eye, and also it is a covering of eyelids. When there is inflammation of conjunctiva, it is called as conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis can be caused by due to some various factors like bacterial infection, viral infection, or due to some allergies, or due to some chemical irritants. So let's discuss about what are the types of eye flu. There are 4 types of eye flu are found. First is bacterial conjunctivitis, which is called by Streptococcus pneumoniae bacteria, and it is contaminated through the poor hand hygiene and contaminated surfaces, contaminated things. And the second type is viral conjunctivitis, which is caused by the adenovirus. Adenovirus is also responsible for common cold and common flu, and it is also spread by direct contact, by skin to skin contact, contaminated things, and poor hand hygiene. And the third type is allergic conjunctivitis, which is caused by certain allergens like dust, pollen grains, pollution, pet denders, and certain eye drops. And the fourth type is chemical conjunctivitis, which is caused by fumes or pollution or by certain chemicals. So these are the types of the conjunctivitis. Let's discuss about what are the symptoms of conjunctivitis. There are many symptoms are found. The most important symptom is this redness and irritation in the eye. These are the primary symptoms of conjunctivitis. There is a gritty sensation in the eyelids. There is a foreign body sensation. There is a watery discharge, or sometimes there is a thick yellowish greenish discharge, and there is a crusting of eyelids, there is swelling of eyelids. So these are the symptoms of the eye flu. Let's discuss about homeopathic medicine to cure your conjunctivitis. Today I will tell you top graded homeopathic medicines to cure your eye flu. The number one most important medicine will be the Euphrasia. Euphrasia is a very effective medicine for eye flu. The indication of Euphrasia is that there is a acrid discharge. The discharge which is passing out from eyes is acidic in nature, and there is a burning sensation, and where there is severe itching in the eye. Also there is a gritty sensation in the eyelid. So you can use Euphrasia. Use Euphrasia in a 30 potency, 4 drops directly on tongue, morning, evening, and noon. Take this medicine for a 1 week. Definitely you will get very good result. And the second medicine will be the Apis mellifica. Apis mellifica is one of the most effective medicine for the conjunctivitis, which is mostly suited for the allergic conjunctivitis. If you have the problem of allergy due to dust, pollution, pollen grains, or due to some chemical irritants, or due to the cosmetic products, you develop to certain pollens, dust, mites, or due to some chemical irritants, or due to some eye drops or eye cosmetics, you can use Apis mellifica. The indication of the Apis mellifica will be that there is a marked stinging pain in your eyes, and there is a burning sensation in your eyes, and also there is a discharge from your eyes. Then you can use Apis mellifica. There is also swelling in your eyelids. You can use Apis mellifica. Use Apis mellifica in 30 potency, 4 drops directly on your tongue. Take this medicine thrice in a day. Take this medicine for 1 week. Definitely you will get very good result. And the last medicine will be the Pulsatilla. Pulsatilla is a very effective homeopathic medicine, especially if you have the thick purulent discharge from your eyes. There is a thick yellowish or greenish discharge from your eyes, that you can use Pulsatilla Pulsatilla is a very effective medicine, especially indicated in a bacterial conjunctivitis. So you can use Pulsatilla in 30 potency, 4 drops directly on your tongue. Take this medicine thrice in a day and for 7 days. Definitely you will get very good result. So friends, these were the homeopathic medicine to cure your eye flus. Let's discuss about what are the prevention of the eye flu. As I have already told you that eye flu is a contagious disease. It is spread by direct skin to skin contact, so avoid direct contact to infected person, avoid rubbing your eyes, use clean clothes for your eyes, wash your hands properly, avoid using phones, avoid eye cosmetics, hydrate yourself, eat healthy and take this medicine. Definitely you will get very good results. So this was the discussion about the eye flu. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.